An Amazon seller had a $37,000 invoice in his inbox last month. Ad management, annual fee. He'd been paying that bill for 3 years while the agency ran 8 broad campaigns across his catalog. 3 months after he fired them, he had 40 campaigns running. ROAS doubled. The catalog he knew better than anyone finally had a campaign structure built around what actually converts on his account. The mechanism is real. Match type harvesting. PPC managers have been doing this manually for years. Claude turns a week of analyst labor into a single prompt. Hi, my name is Maike Intro, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012, and our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Most Amazon ad agencies run a small number of broad campaigns per brand. Broad match is the cheapest match type to manage at scale. One campaign, dozens of keywords, Amazon's algorithm decides what queries to spend on. It's the agency's default, not because it works best for your catalog, because it works best for their staffing model. An analyst covering many brands can keep 8 broad campaigns alive each. Past that, attention breaks. Broad match also leaks. Amazon matches queries you never targeted. Your campaign for stainless steel water bottle picks up stainless steel pan because someone searched both in the same session. The leakage shows up on your spend column with nothing to show for it. Match type harvesting is the discipline of moving converting search terms from broad campaigns into tighter match type keywords where you control the queries. Amazon Ads has 3 match types. Broad gives you the widest net. Phrase narrows it. Your term has to appear in the query in the same word order. Exact narrows further. The query has to match your keyword almost word for word. When a search term matched by a broad keyword converts above your target ACoS with enough volume, it gets promoted into a dedicated phrase match ad group. When a phrase match term continues converting above target with volume, it gets promoted again into its own exact match single keyword ad group, sometimes called a SKAG. One ad group, one keyword. Highest bid because exact match competes against fewer queries. That's how 8 broad campaigns become 40. Most of the new campaigns are exact match SKAGs for proven winners, each with its own daily cap, its own bid logic, and a negative keyword added back on the original broad so it stops cannibalizing the exact. This is the structure agencies couldn't build because the labor scales linearly with attention. They had bandwidth for 8 per brand. You have bandwidth for 40 when Claude runs the harvesting pass. If this is the kind of insight you want for your business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Paste this into Claude code. Build me a match type harvester for my Amazon ad account. Ask me before any code. My target ACoS. My minimum spend floor. Below this, ignore noise. My minimum conversion floor. Below this, a term doesn't qualify for promotion. My conversion attribution window, 7, 14, or 30 days, and the percentage above current cost per click I want to bid when promoting a term to a tighter match type. Don't assume defaults. Ask me to paste my sponsored product search term report, CSV, from Campaign Manager, Reports tab, last 30 days, or confirm I have live Amazon Ads data wired through an MCP. If I paste the CSV, treat the first row as headers, and confirm which columns you're mapping to spend, clicks, orders inside the attribution window, ACoS, campaign, ad group, customer search term, match type of the targeting keyword, cost per click, and advertised ASIN. Classify every customer search term. A term qualifies for promotion to phrase match if its current targeting keyword is broad match, has spend above my floor, has orders above my floor inside my attribution window, and has ACoS at or below my target. A term qualifies for promotion to exact match if its current targeting keyword is phrase match and meets the same volume and ACoS criteria. Anything draining spend with 0 orders gets flagged for negative keyword addition to the original broad keyword. Output 1 decision table, 1 row per customer search term, columns, current match type, recommended match type, advertised ASIN, spend, clicks, orders, ACoS, current cost per click, recommended starting bid, current cost per click plus my premium, recommended negative keyword ads for the original broad keyword. one-line reason. Then, bundle promotions by advertised ASIN. For each ASIN with 3 or more promotions, output the suggested ad group structure. 1 exact match ad group per SKAG, 1 phrase match ad group containing the phrase to your terms, plus the negative keyword list for the original broad keyword. If I ask for it, also produce the same structure formatted for Amazon's sponsored products bulk operations template. Entity type, operation, create, campaign name, ad group name, match type, keyword text, bid, so I can upload it directly. No auto action. Every promotion and every negative keyword ad waits for my approval. When Claude finishes, you have the decision table and the bundled ad group structure. 2 paths to apply it. Manual path, open Campaign Manager and create the new ad groups one by one, using Claude's bundles as the recipe. Slower but simpler if it's your first time through. Bulk operations path. Ask Claude for the bulk operations template output, then open Campaign Manager. Go to bulk operations, upload. Amazon processes the new ad groups in minutes. Whichever path you pick, the final step is the same. Add Claude's negative keyword list to your original broad keywords. Without negatives, the broad keeps paying for queries you just promoted to exact. The agency structure was built for their bandwidth. The structure Claude builds is built for yours. 1 prompt, 1 decision table, a campaign architecture that fits your catalog, not someone else's account load. Which broad campaign in your account spent the most this month? Drop it below. See you in the next one.